Your master's research module or your PhD research is likely the hardest thing you would do in uni and possibly in your entire professional career as well. Unis often teach too little and you are left not only trying to figure out what research is but also instantly apply that knowledge into your own research idea without anyone teaching you why and how all of it works. This channel is about fixing all of that. I break down research methods, study designing, proposals, literature reviews, ethics, ethical uses of AI in academic research, and how to make the best out of your master's and PhD research. I also have free templates and tools that you can download to support your research, like my research plan and Gantt chart and literature search tracker. I am Dr. Ken Yan Wong, and this channel is where I share my experience as a research lecturer at 2 UK universities and years of experience supervising and consulting on hundreds of master's and PhD students to completion through my business. Welcome to my channel, and start with my research planning video that comes with a free Gantt chart template, and hit subscribe for weekly guidance on getting through your research project.